In this video, you will learn about the advantages of combining a wet separator with our new R26 Dry Pre-Separator. You will also see how easy it is to operate and maintain. Hello, my name is Heiko Holtkamp, Technical Product Manager at RUWAC Industriesauger. If you are extracting valuable materials, it makes sense to connect our new R26 Dry Pre-Separator upstream of your wet separator. This allows you to reuse the vacuum material. In addition, the liquid tank of the wet separator becomes less contaminated. This means that you have to change the liquid less frequently than before. The R26 can be combined with almost all RUWAC wet separators and scores points for its ease of use. The connection is available in diameters of 30 and 50 millimeters. It's easy to connect and close securely. We also attach the potential equalization, without which the devices should not be operated for safety reasons. In today's example, we are vacuuming stainless steel powder. To do this, we switch on the wet separator. The level indicator shows whether there is enough liquid for safe operation. The built-in sensor interrupts the suction process when the collection container is full. You can also see the fill level without a sensor using the viewing window in the container. The bottle can be changed easily. You close the disc valves with a lever, release the clamping lock to unlock the bottle, and remove it. The bottles are available in different sizes. Do you have any further questions, or would you like a demonstration on site? Then simply speak to your sales advisor. If you found the video useful, please give it a like. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.